ShareASale Partner Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the ShareASale Partner Program. If you're considering joining, I've included links in the description below. ShareASale is one of the most well-known affiliate marketing networks, connecting publishers with thousands of brands across various industries, including fashion, technology, finance, and home goods. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced affiliate, ShareASale offers a user-friendly platform, competitive commissions, and a vast selection of merchants to partner with. In this video, I'll break down how it works, its key features, and my personal experience using it. One of the biggest advantages of ShareASale is its huge selection of advertisers, with over 4,500 merchants offering products and services in multiple niches. Unlike Amazon Associates, where commission rates are fixed, ShareASale allows affiliates to choose programs with higher commission structures, some offering recurring payouts. The sign-up process is free and straightforward, but affiliates must apply to individual merchants before they can start promoting products. Once approved, you can access real-time reporting and analytics, helping you track clicks, conversions, and earnings in detail. The platform also offers deep linking tools, allowing you to create links directly to specific product pages, increasing conversion potential. Another standout feature is customized banners and text links, which make it easy to integrate affiliate content into blogs, websites, and social media. ShareASale also provides API access, making it useful for developers looking to automate affiliate link integration. When it comes to payments, ShareASale has a low minimum payout of $50. And commissions are processed on a net 30 basis, which is faster than networks like Rakuten that use net 60. Payments are available via direct deposit, check, or Payoneer, offering flexibility. However, some downsides include variable merchant approval processes, meaning not all affiliates will get accepted into every program. Additionally, while ShareASale's dashboard is functional, it can feel outdated compared to newer networks. Overall, ShareASale is a reliable and well-established affiliate network, ideal for both beginners and experienced marketers looking to promote high-paying offers. If you're ready to start earning, check out the links in the description and sign up today.